To be a winner, you must be obsessed with winning everything, every time, everywhere, every day. What's going on, everybody? This is Coach Chrispect, the wise guy at Dollarama. In today's video, we are going to scan everything. And in this video, I'm going to scan with the most important tool, and that is my eyes. You will see me zoom my camera into different products in the store. Those are the products that interest me, and those are the products ultimately that I am going to scan because they look like they have value. I don't use my digital tool until I use my physical tool, which is my eyes. What stands out to me? What looks good? What looks valuable? That's what I'm looking for first. Not everything that looks valuable always comes up on Amazon, or even if it comes up, it doesn't always have a great price. Here I zoom into Paw Patrol. I love me some Paw Patrol. A high priority aisle for me is the conditioner and shampoo section. Love this section. Lots of standouts, including this biotin thickening cream. Lots of brand names, as you can see, lots of things that stand out that I'm zooming into. Ultimately, I'm going to scan the barcode on all of these products to see which ones have some profit. And every so often, you'll scan a great product with a great rank and great profit. The only problem with scanning everything is you always buy products that you want and need. When I'm scanning personal care products, I'm always looking for unique blends. For example, this chai seed blend, this Vita Bath, like this Le Petit Marshalls. Ooh, I see some Disney stuff. I spy with my little eye something that is not Canada Day. I don't want any Canada Day stuff. I spy with my little eye something that could kill bugs. We are at the 3-minute mark. Thanks for watching. Tell me in the comments below, what do you see that maybe I missed that looks valuable to your eyes? Barbecue aprons are great, but that's a Dollarama brand. There was a time a couple years ago when the barbecue section was the hottest sellers on Amazon. Do you see what I see? Right there. I didn't scan it, but I gotta go back to the store and scan that product. The right floaties are always hot sellers. Avengers. Some products may look valuable to you, but never pan out, like this water bat right here. I love the gardening section because often I can find products that sell multiples or products that sell at a pretty high resale price. Like this Briani pruner set and this comfort grip nozzle. Now this is probably my least favorite section in the Dollarama. It's the do-it-yourself section. But because I discovered that elastic bands for face masks are hot sellers, I'm gonna take my time to scan everything in this section. And because one of my topics was homemade products and what you can make money off, maybe there is something I can make and resell on Etsy or on Facebook Marketplace or on YouTube. Maybe there's something in this section I can create. We'll see. I've never made any money from selling the light bulbs at Dollarama, but I have made lots of money from selling light bulbs. The problem with Dollarama is some of their brand name products, the price tag is embedded. And a lot of the light bulbs in this section don't actually have any listings on Amazon yet. Like this Globe 1900s edition light bulb, it's a hot seller on Amazon, but this one doesn't scan. Alright, back to the art section in the do-it-yourself section. Let's continue to see if there's anything that stands out. Maybe paint stands out. I haven't zoomed into anything if you notice, except for these magnetic containers. They kind of interested me for myself. For a second there, I thought they were the grinders for tobacco, but why would they have that in the do-it-yourself section? But they do have a magnetic base and kind of interest me. Now back over to the home hardware section. We got tapes and plugs. A lot of these are Dollarama brands. This camouflage tape stands out to me, but it's a Dollarama brand. I'm really good at catching unique products like these that have a really good resale value on Amazon. Try to spot tiny products like this Command. They're profitable. Air fresheners. $2 products resell for $15 on Amazon. Some of these things are standing out to me and they pop up like these neon lights. Every so often you'll spot things that are hidden by big hearts. Always scan everything in the DVD section. Shoot, they had selfie sticks there and I forgot to scan them. Always a good product with a long life cycle like selfie sticks. Mario Brothers. Alright, the infamous toy section, and here first up we have a big bag of plastic teas. Stands out as valuable to me. How about you? What do you think those did? They actually failed. There was no listing on Amazon. Backpacks in June are the perfect thing to sell on Amazon. Unfortunately, I'm not too sure kids are going back to schools anymore. We'll see. Mini stuffed animals like these can make you $20 on Amazon. Unfortunately, I'm restricted to sell Mattel products, but I scan everything anyways because every so often I find one that I'm eligible in.
J, back up.
Swords are always good. As seen on TV, too risky. Star Wars, Rogue One. A Canucks war face mask. Here is the only toy I picked up today, My Little Pony projector lights.
Preferably use a debit or credit card and tap when possible. Wait for and respect instructions at the cash for the payment and takeaway of your products.
So scanning everything, we've probably scanned a few hundreds of products today. My eyes have scanned maybe 1,000 different products today. A quick little peek into my cart. Five Nights at Freddy's umbrella. Like I said, you're always buying things for yourself. Massage products, always great. Baby products are the hottest product right now to sell on Amazon, so make sure you're scanning the baby section. Toothpaste, we always sell multiple products of toothpaste, so scan everything in the toothpaste section. And as I'm walking up the checkout aisle where they have all the chocolates, there will be your electronic accessories. Here, you're gonna find a lot of little gems. Scan everything in there as well.